Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable pop-up notifications for media processing on the X app. If you've ever missed an important notification because it didn't appear front and center, this quick update will help make sure you stay on top of things. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you can control and adjust all of your app preferences, including how you receive alerts. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll through until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Next, locate the X app from the list of installed applications. Selecting it will open a dedicated settings page designed just for this app. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage how the app communicates with you, whether that's silently in the background or by drawing your attention with a pop-up. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll want to go one step deeper by tapping on Notification Categories. This is an important section because it allows you to fine-tune the kind of alerts you want to see. Look for the option labeled Media Processing. This is the category that controls alerts whenever the app is handling or preparing your media files. Tap on it to open the settings. Now you'll see a switch for Show as pop-up. Toggle this option on. Once enabled, the app's media processing alerts will appear as pop-up notifications right on your screen, making them much harder to miss. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings so that you'll never overlook media processing notifications from the X app again. By following these simple steps, you take full control over how the app communicates with you, ensuring that every media-related update gets your attention fast. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to try the settings for yourself so you can see the difference right away. Staying on top of your notifications doesn't have to be complicated, and as you just saw, it only takes a minute to get everything set up. Thanks for watching,